Video today talking about turbo token 004125 at the time of this video. We're seeing trading volume 69 million, market cap 284. Again, entire meme coin market is in the red. Market conditions heavily affecting turbo here. It's not like it's specifically turbo that's doing anything wrong. Market conditions really just affecting it overall, right? We talk about it before on the channel numerous times, really over the last month or so, when we do take a look and you zoom out on the chart for turbo in the red, 60%, down 60% over the last month. So it is tough to kind of digest that, understand that. But again, looking at the entire meme coin market, looking at market conditions, nothing has changed for me. I've kind of just been making these videos to reassure people that do watch these videos and that are holding turbo and are bullish like me, kind of just reassurance, right? Or essentially reassurance for myself as well. I think it helps me make these videos when I am looking at the price of turbo, looking at my portfolio and things like that. But holder count remains strong, 52,384. I mean, I think they continue to add new holders, right? New holders continue to essentially get positions here, add to their positions in turbo. Again, we're still seeing massive trading volume, even though it's down 33%. I mean, at one point, this is like 179 million, and it was more than half of the market cap. I think that was yesterday. Like the trading volume was more than half of what the market. Again, coins are not out of the bottom, right? Meme coins aren't right now, but seeing trading volume like that on turbo, to me at least, is a good sign. I mean, it doesn't surprise me when you look at all the exchanges that have listed turbo: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, right? The top four. And then we're waiting for, obviously, Robinhood, which to me is the next big catalyst. And it's unfortunate, like I said in the previous video, that we got the turbo listing on Coinbase when market conditions were down and in the red. But we can look forward to a potential Robinhood listing. But I really wanted to make this video to talk about what it was like here at the all-time high, December 11th, 2024, at 0.013, right? 1 cent, almost 1 cent and a half, almost 0.015, 0.01347 was the all-time high, and that was December 11th. If we look at the market cap, right there, it was sitting at 879. And when we talk about the market cap here, and then we talk more specifically about how we need Ethereum to go crazy, right? We need Ethereum to go crazy for turbo to essentially go crazy. And if we take a look at Ethereum is in a downward trend as well. If we look at essentially where Ethereum was in the last bull market, but all-time chart for Ethereum, that last bull run, November 2021, for me, in my opinion, was when it kind of hit its peak. September to November of 2021, at that time, Ethereum was at over $4,800. I believe $4,800. Yeah, $4,800. Sitting here now at $2,700. And even if you look at the last year for Ethereum, it's down here at these levels. Even back here at 3,700. Back here in March of last year, almost over $4,000. And over the last month, Ethereum is being affected, and you can see the very similar pattern between turbo and Ethereum over the last month, right? 60% for turbo, and then Ethereum's down 25%. But because turbo is sitting on top of Ethereum, we're going to get that type of price action. But again, turbo is going to bounce back, and when turbo does bounce back, I think we will see a very, very strong run from turbo, right? My mindset hasn't changed. My bullish outlook has not changed. Right? Turbo with the price of 4.3 billion market cap, which Pepe's market cap is down so much. If you look at the meme coin market, Pepe is down 4.2 billion, and where was Pepe at not that long ago, like when we first started kind of talking about this? Pepe's market cap was literally just at 11 billion in December as well, similarly when turbo was pumping. And then now we see, turbo at the all-time high of Pepe, which is 11 billion. It's a 38x, which is a much higher multiplier than it was because turbo's down, but still 16x. I think it's probably like close to 25x, 26x from these levels that it is, or that it was, right, at turbo's all-time high at 1 cent, if that makes sense to anybody. But also, super interesting, shout out to Rep Mankind, founder of Turbo. He's the creator of Turbo. He's putting a book out. Turbo never gives up. I mentioned this in the previous video. I put a link to this tweet in the description. You guys should go show love to it. I think this is awesome. I think, we talk about founders of meme coins being fully doxxed and being out in the open and things like that. This is pretty awesome, right? This is pretty awesome. So hopefully he can get a book contract. I think he's trying to get here. Publishing deal. So this would be awesome for Turbo, I think, in the long run. But again, I just wanted to make this video for as far as just we talk about, again, market cap, and we look about Pepe a year ago was sitting at 427, and it ran up to a 7 billion market cap from February 5th of last year to May. Ran from 400 million to 7 billion. Okay, if Turbo runs to 7 billion, we're sitting here, I don't know, it's probably like close to, I think, 8 cents, I believe, at a 7 billion market cap for Turbo. So too much upside for me to shy away now. Let me know in the comments below about Turbo. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. As always, have a great day.